Hey Ford truck fans, here's one for the record books. A beautifully restored 1967 F100. Look at that. Definitely looks like big block. It's got air. Man, this thing's nice. Oh, we got some original, looks like invoice. 67 pickup, 131 style pickup. 3313 in 67. That wasn't too cheap either, actually. But look how nice that is, man. I know the steering wheel is aftermarket, but if you can look past that, look at all this treatment in here. Very nice. You know, not concourse, but it is just pretty. Custom cab. And yeah, there's that metal belt side molding. Trucks are hot, man. I think for the last, what, 7, 8, 9, maybe even last 10 years, at the auctions, man, trucks just skyrocketed. Let's have a peekaboo under. Big old rear end back there. Nice fresh spare underneath. Very nice. Very nicely done. I remember when I first got in the hobby, I thought these things were like boring. I never even looked at them. And now I just really focus up on them because it's classic American pickup utility.
There's no gearing change. I didn't. Okay, that's good. You probably always had
And there you have it, a beautiful 67 F100. Very well redone. Gauze Garage. Thank you.